All right. Oh, we're finally going to talk about this. Okay, we are launching. Wait, hey, Vaughn, do you have the things I'm supposed to sign? Yvonne's going to get it for me. Thank you. Okay. I have no idea how this is supposed to work.
What?
I just, well, we don't have a
Oh.
lot of them. So there's a whole thing, right? Okay, there it is. Never mind. Okay, I got it. I've got it.
Oh my god.
The limited edition pink Lambo beanie is for sale. Now, this is a very expensive beanie or toque, and I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. It is exactly the same toque as the one I'm wearing. Okay, look. I'm being honest. Okay, like I said with the toe cutter offer device, as long as wait, what? People crawled the site and looked in all products, and there's only like 20 left. Okay, so move fast if you want one, guys. It's exactly the same product. It is as advertised, though. I'm being honest with you guys, okay? And so in order to differentiate it, oh, Nick says it's slightly different. It's slightly different. It's 100% acrylic fabric instead of an acrylic wool blend. But it feels the same. It feels like the same damn thing. So here they are. With your beanie that you paid way too much money for, because the regular one's like 20 bucks or something, you will get this Linus Tech Tips Lambo Beanie Certificate of Authenticity, numbered 1 to 69. So it says this is one of 69 Lambo beanies. Nice. And then I believe you will also get a Lambo foil sticker. Lambo foil sticker? Apparently they're gone. So there you go. Thanks for playing, guys. So maybe we'll do an after party stream tonight. Would that be okay, Vaughn? I don't know. Maybe we'll do an after party stream tonight, and I will sign them. I will sign all 69 of them in front of you guys, so you'll know that it's legit, and also that we didn't do more than 69 of them, because that would be man, what a scam that would be. If I was like, yeah, we're only doing 69 of them, and actually we do like 1,000, and there's like duplicates. Wait.
You could do
No, I'm
69,000.
kidding. I'm kidding. We only made like I think we made
6,969. Sorry.
I think we made like 70, so that if like one of them gets lost in the mail or something like that, we have a way to
Damaged.
replace
Yeah,
it.
makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're all gone.
It looks cool. I actually like the like watermelon type of like. It actually looks pretty all right.
I
like some of the
legitimately like
photos
it.
with it on people, like it looks good.
Yep. So we actually went to the trouble of doing a whole photo shoot for a product that we're gonna sell less than 100 of. But whatever. Actually, we have another limited edition product. So these are just kind of, honestly, they're not big money makers, but they're kind of fun to do. There's a video coming out. People who are on Floatplane are going to know about this already, but there's a video coming out where we do Dennis's.
People in chat are like, paper launch.
I told you guys. I was honest with you guys. We only did a few of them. Okay. So this one, we're only doing 100 of these. And Floatplane people are going to get it already, but it's a shirt.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Live, laugh, liao. Did you watch the video?
Yes, that's great. Yeah.
So Dennis, spoiler alert, Dennis, as part of his Intel home setup, extreme rig upgrade, whatever we call it, as part of his video, he spent like $400 of his budget on a faux neon sign to go behind his setup that says live, laugh, liao. And I was like, what? How did you spend this much money on this? So anyway, people started immediately demanding a shirt. So we've got 100 units. We'll have 100 units. It's going to go live when the video goes up. I think that's tomorrow,
just like
Sunday or something.
Just every limited edition product should be $69.69.
I mean, we could until there's one that costs us more than that to make.
Then it could be $690.
Yeah, we could do that. I could make a lot of things.
9 cents.
I could make a lot of things fit in that price point. $690. Anyway, all right. Sorry. So that's all the memeing for LTT store. Oh, also the gray crew neck sweaters are finally back in stock. These ones also sold out basically immediately, and we grossly underestimated how many of them we were gonna sell. It's got the zippered. See, got these like stealthy zippered pockets. It's super comfy. Lots of different sizes. That's kind of an uncomfortable looking picture. You know what? Let's not look at that for too long. Oh, I think Nick is watching right now. Yo, Nick. We've got people asking about Swacket. They're like, "Hey, are you guys ever gonna do another run of that like sweet like racing jacket thing?" We are working on V2. I do have some concept artwork. If Nick approves it, I would be happy to share some of it with you, but it's possible he will not allow me to show it to you, because he likes to keep things all secret. He's a control freak like that. Control freak. Speaking of things that look cool when people wear them. Haha, thanks for keying me up like that. So this is an early mock-up of Swacket V2. Yeah, it's not really in focus, but whatever. You guys get the point. You're kind of looking at my lights here. We might end up with a little bit more in terms of like color accents, but it is going to be stealthier. It is still going to be made out of like kind of a heavier material. Instead of the regular reflective tape, it's probably going to have like a dark or black but reflective tape. We've got some really, really cool stuff coming up, and that's one of them. Yeah, very excited.